Hello everyone friends on the channel Valor. Today I will show you a possible solution to the problem when you can't access the respectively a folder in the public domain. Yes, to do this go to the services, write the inlet services and write here F. We have such a thing as a functioning discovery resource. Publicity, right-click properties, select automatic and click apply and OK. This will be the first. Yes, in general, you can even start it. Press start, then automatic, then apply. OK. Next, write a secondary login, look for a logon. Here we are interested in ER Stipe discovery. Here is Stipe discovery. So we put it on automatic properties, automatic, apply. OK. That's it. Next, we need the UDK. If you have it, I don't have it. And UPN device host here, we need to right click properties and also select automatic here and click apply. That's it, and it is necessary to start. That's it. In general, that's all here. Next, go to the settings. Go to the network and the internet. Additional management, yes. Advanced internet settings, advanced settings respectively, sharing, and here we include this and that. Next, we need to go into features, yes. That is, we just write FIA, yes. Enable or disable Windows components. We go in and here we have SMB1 and 0 file sharing support. And turn on this thing, click OK and close. That's all. Valor was with you. I hope it helped. Goodbye, everyone.